Welcome to Be First to Copy. So it's our 10th video that I'm recording right now. So it is setting up the workspace. Let's come here. Before I made mistakes like I didn't made UI beforehand because if I know how it looked like my app, then it's much easier for me to make decisions and make better. So I'm asking right now that they should do it. The design it's here. You can see it. Let me check. Okay. So this is a design and I don't really like it. So I will say that improve UI, okay, UI and UX. Now click enter. I also checked many of them. Let me, as you can see here, it is a dog edge calculator. The design I like it. There's some improvement I can make, but I want to see more designs. Like my main page gonna be human edge calculator, and after then the no idea is like that. First human edge calculator and then animals, okay, and that gonna be in a both pages, single page and second page. So as you can see that again, okay, I don't really like the design. I want to make it better because I found the same. As you can see that I found the same. There's a nothing major change that happened. Let's see what is gonna give me. As you can see here, our workspace, okay, there's another issue I was facing. As you know, for a couple of days I was not present. I was traveling somewhere, so I did not open, and there was some problem. I also reset my laptop. I installed new OS on my laptop. After then, I could not able to properly use that. So I tried to fix that, but even then I'm facing some problem. So I'm going to delete this one and restart again. So I will delete it. Just click right delete, delete. Okay. So again I'm starting, and I thought this time I should first think before and everything. It's giving the same design, but let's work on with this first. I want to use some tools and see that how it's gonna help me. Okay. So we have design idea. Also there, is a first page. Okay. Let me write something for second page. When it is click click it on calculate human age, then second page UI and UX. Even sometimes you write some mistakes like here, it can understand and fix that, but I would recommend that don't make mistakes. Okay. So now I'll come and click new workspace. As you know, I want to make an app. So there's a two option, Android Studio Cloud. You can use that. If your laptop is not high end, where you can't use this kind of tool, you can just use this one. For we're gonna use Flutter. So my name gonna be the same. Okay. Know my age. The number is a 4. Create. So as you can see, that second design, I really like that. Okay. There are a lot of things that it's showing, and basically, it's really good, but I don't like the circle. So I will just say that change the design. Okay. The way I'm doing that, in that way, AI can make something really different. It might not like this, something ugly. So when you are doing that, make sure that when you're making changes, write properly what you want. For me, I don't know what I really want. That's why I write this kind of things. Or you can just say that it's rounded. You can say the square with the padding or margin, anything. You can just say that and it will do it. Okay. Now come here. So it's our app here. Okay. Everything's okay here. Now here is a Gemini. As you can see that, click OK. Our SDK. So And also I have idea from beforehand how I want. You see here everything for all of them apart from I can just change the name, that's all. So just click here from it. Let me check first. Okay, allow access, grant access. Okay, now loading project. uh, Confirm. Okay, so I don't know even something happened or not. Just wait and see. As for here, you see the design. It's similar. There's no major changes happened, but still, I don't really like it. But I will just manage that. So there is no issue. But make using uh, Android latest UI. You can also write that. So now you see this is a Firebase. So this is my project. Know my age. I'm not sure it's connected or not right now. Okay, just wait. So here I'm gonna first upload the images. So my home page gonna be like this one. So just download. Okay. Now I'm going to just upload the image. Okay. So it's dog. Okay, this one. Upload it. But also I write that what I want. So I will just copy all that. Okay. And here I can just put it, make some changes. I will just have like a human age calculator page. Okay, I will have like a title human age calculator. So as you can see all that calculate age. Okay, so all that here, all the functionality. Okay, and I'll say that use same UI as you see in the image. Okay, now we just click. First check sure that it's agentic, and I'll put that agentic auto run. In that way, all the changes will do itself. I don't have to do it again and again. So I just did that. So as you can see, it's starting, I believe. So wait. So as I was talking about Firebase, so here you can choose the plan. Here you can have a lots of options. Here you can check your app and all these things. I don't know how to use it. I just having some problem, so that's why I came to know about this website. So it's saying that RCP timed out. BOK token generate. Okay, try again. I don't know what does it really means, but if I face the same problem again, I will try to figure out what is the real issue behind it. So just wait. So just like how I did that, you can just figure out your design first. In that way, it's much better for you to understand how you want to see so your app to users. And it was much easier for you to make apps. I tried for 9 to 10 times, and I understand that is really important. In that way, you can save a lot of your time, because if you beforehand know everything, then doing is much easier. But if you don't, you always try to change it because you want to find something that you truly like it, or you truly feel that is gonna work. But if you know beforehand, then you can do it that work really fast. So I have given the images. I want to see that if it can create the same way as into the image. As you have seen the video, my seventh part, there are how the mistake they made. So I don't want you that you make same mistake again. That's why I said that, here you can say in the prompt I said that use same UI as you see in the image. Okay, I could have tell them better way that you should only copy the design, not every single thing there. but I'm not sure that how they will understand. So I just say that way. Now click. Okay. There's a one thing I also face trouble, you know, as I talk about the Fire Studio. So there's often like a authentication. I could not say it properly. So whenever I try to integrate this Firebase in my app, I always face trouble here, you know. So I believe the next time if I face that trouble, I will try to use other AI tool or other options to fix that issue. I was avoiding that for a couple of times. I thought that is not really important, but I need to figure out this how to do it. Okay, so right now they are doing all the things. As you can see, as you see here, if you click here, you find LIB. Go there. As you can see here, those are two pages: human age calculator and main dot. So whatever page is created, it will stay here. Okay. If you want to make any changes, you can come here. Here you can see the codes, and you can directly copy paste or improve this code in using other AI tools. So you can do that. Okay. And you can also see that user interface from here. And if there's another way to see the user interface, it will much better, but I don't know any of them. So here you find the two files. The more pages will create it will stay here. So if you find any kind of problem, anything you want to fix it, you can just do it from here. Okay. And as you know that, okay, use it. Staging Firebase product, use the tool. As you know that it also make application for web. So it make change in both place. So when you write here, it's not changing here, it's also changing the wave here also. Okay, so run the command. So always make sure to check that. Okay, if you really want to make for only Android, then I would say you should choose Android Studio. If you don't have a high-end computer, then I would say that you should choose as you've seen there before, the option of Android Studio Cloud. You choose that and use that. That's also good option. I would check that app, use it, and I'll show you that how to use that. Like also I'm learning, so I also teach you that how I'm doing the things, and you can also do the same. So for that you can choose that option. So it's better if you only want to make app for Android application. So that is best option, not Flutter. In Flutter you can develop for, as you read, for your iOS device, Android, and also web. So you can doing the three work in one place, so it's changing a lot of codes. So you can try for Android Studio Cloud if you're making for only Android devices. As you can see here, it's making lots of pages, but we are only seeing two pages here. So there might be more pages somewhere that I don't know about it. So here I only know about about these things. So but the pages are here, that's all I can say. So it's saying the human calculator is now ready to use. Okay, so here we are. If you're not seeing this, you can just write here, run emulator. If you do from here, it also will work, but if it's not happening, you can also write down here, it will do that. So you have two options, you can go for it. So run the command. So there's some problem. Let me reload again. Okay, again. Apart from this, I had a problem with saying real-time interface change. So that's the why I told you that if you only want to make app for Android device, I would recommend you should use Android Studio Cloud if you don't have a high-end computer or laptop. But if you have, you can use that one because that is also good, and they do basically everything as you can do in a Firebase Studio. There are many functionality might be different that I have not used till now, but for like telling that AI what to do, that functionality also you get in a Android Studio, so you can also use that. So as you can see that I might say that what happening is that a command is running, and here that is my Firebase. So later on I'm gonna figure out how to use that. Right now just cut it. As you can see that again it's running, so that is the issue. I just hope from here it will work. I'm thinking that I should create video for Android Studio only, because I want to make apps for only Android devices. For a web, I will not build an app. As you can see here the change happened, but here I'm not seeing it. Okay, so this is the design. Click. Okay, so all the functionality that I wrote is there. Okay, but when I click calculate age, what I get? This thing. Save, share button. Save, share, back. Okay, dog. There's no page, cat, no page, human, only there. Okay. As you can see, for this web, okay, this for Android device. Let me go for human edge calculator. Click, and we got that. So I can tell you that that is not what I hope for, but just see, calculate age. Let me full screen. So these are all the things are here. You can see from here. So here to save the result, I believe it's not working. Say result. Again that is not working. Oh, it is working. Sharing. Okay, 2 times worked, but for save the result, I believe it is not working. So I need to tell them that what really need to be done. So wait until then.